Sorry, I'm gonna leave. I'm driving so far. Tell me why you couldn't take me and say you want me again. Never wanna lose me, 'cause I'll be missing you again.
For some students, to them, getting an average score is already enough. Well, not to me. It is not enough, and will never going to be enough. I've always been like this: competitive, ambitious, perfectionist. I can't stand to lose. Not to anyone, not to that guy, Adrian Isaiah Del Fiero. All of my classmates were silent. It's like we're all getting suffocated. But except to that guy, with that stupid smile. What's so damn funny? How can you just smile at this moment? I didn't see any sign of fatigue on him, but instead, his expressions gave confidence, which he can't even match.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate you all for doing your very best. Today I'll be announcing the top scorer. So, congratulations, Adelaide. You got an excellent position. And yeah, meant for now, but it's not that. Our top scorer is Mr. Del Fiero, who got 98%.
I knew that wasn't the highest score, but it was good enough for me. Well, hopefully. But when I heard the next announcement, all the excitement inside me crashes down. It was enough to make me feel like I'd failed.
Congratulations, Del. I'm sure you're very proud of yourself.
It's not over yet, Adelaide.
Huwag mo na pa may exam. Dali ka pa naman bumawi.
Oh, don't worry, because next time I will make sure that I can beat you.
Miss Adelaide, Mr. Del Fiero, I'm very good for the research part.
Never, ever in my wildest thought that I'll be working with that Del Fiero. I mean, yeah, sure, we're not even enemies, officially. But after the exam, it felt like our rivalry intensified. At this point, it seemed like it would be better if we were rivals forever. No more problems. But life, like school, apparently doesn't give a damn about what we want. The moment Sir Percival announced the group projects for the coming school event, I almost wanted to scream. Honestly, I just wanted to stand up and walk out, but I stayed frozen. I could feel the eyes of my classmates on me and could already hear their whispers.
Adrian at Ali. Naku, batay. Mag-aasik yan ng galit. Well, it should be that clear.
But yes, particular.
I wanted to protest. There's no way I'm gonna lose to anyone, and definitely not him. But there's nothing I can do anymore, as Sir Percival was already moving on to the next experience.
Looks like we're stuck together.
Don't get too excited, Del Fiero. I'm not interested in being your partner.
As if I want to be your partner. But I don't have a choice.
I quickly gathered my things so I could get out of here and away from him. But he was fast enough to block my way.
Get out of my way, Del Fiero. I don't have time for this.
Adelaide, you don't have a choice. Parte din ako ng project na to eh. Going to make this silly for us, huh?
Why would I? I don't want you to be my partner. Heck, I can even do this alone. Hindi kita kailangan.
Just accept the fact May mga bagay talaga tayong hindi maiwasan. Galit na ako.
Busy.
Kahit kapalaga ano, parehas tayong nag-goal dito. To be the best. Bakit hindi mo matanggap-tanggap ng mga pwede tayo sa pag-ibig?
I'm fine on my own. We don't have to work together.
Parang nakakaganito. Going the outside, that's for sure.
Stop it with you. I don't need you to psychoanalyzing me.
Okay, fine. But just when they say, hindi mo naman kailangan sabihin ng lahat. Hindi ka naman masasaktan kung hindi ka sa akin ng tulong eh.
Hey, fine, Adrian. But remember, we're only here to finish this project. I don't want any distractions nor drama from you.
Yes, madam.
What the hell is this?
Honey, please, kuminawan ka.
97%? Since the Adelaide, is tama pa na ma-perfect ang exam? This is not enough.
Come on, Enrico. You should be proud of me. Getting that score is dugot pawas ang lahat ng anak namin dyan.
Kung pinaghirapan yan, dapat perfect yan. You're disappointed in your family, Adelaide. Wala sa dugo natin ang pagiging mahina. You should be perfect. Why can't you be like your brother, na ginagawa ang lahat-lahat, malakas, matalino, at hindi lang palampa?
I'm doing my very best, Dad. Hindi pa rin ba yun sa pagsagot? Enough, Enrico. Talagang hindi niya mapaperfect yan. If you keep pressuring her like that, have mercy on your daughter.
Palibasa kasi, kinukonsinti mo, kaya nagkakaganyan. You better improve it next time, Adelaide. Stop being a disappointment. And damn, grow up!
Well, not so surprising. Nalaman nila dad yung result ng exam. Just what I expected. Disappointed na naman siya. Ano pa nga ba?
Nagsimula sa simple na pasulyap-sulyap, magpapapansin sa'yo. Umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe, kilig na kilig ako. Kumusta, kain na, hello, magandang umaga. Ingat ka, pahinga, huwag kang masyadong magpupuyat pa. Naramdaman ng puso na dahan-dahan akong nahuhulog sa'yo. Sa kada araw natin na pag-uusap, meron nang namumuo. Ngunit di ko na alam kung anong patutunguhan. Ang hiling ko lang naman na itong naramdaman. Sana naman ay mapagbigyan na at nang mapakinggan ang tibok ng puso kong sa'yo walang naramdaman na
ago, something changed between the two of us. This bond that we have right now is very different from the bond that we had before. We're closer than before. We can freely tease each other. We can talk without feeling awkward. Heck, we even have a secret face that only the two of us know. I didn't know that he has this side. He is so gentle to me. Soft-spoken. Pag sa akin, napakakulit na parang bata. Pero kapag sa iba, napakaseryoso. And he acts as if he knows me for a very long time.
I won't mind it.
Show me! Sabi ang pogi-pogi mo.
Your eyes telling me. Naks ang pogi-pogi ng isang kaibigan. Lil Piero.
Wala ka nga dyan, pero still, thank you pa rin na kapag atid all the hindi naman kailangan.
Ayun, delikado na kasi sa labas. Baka mapagtipang ka pa ng loko sa tabi.
Sige.
Thank you.
Asa na ba siya? Anong oras na oh? Bakit hanggang ngayon? Wala pa rin siya. May nangyari ba? Paano ako kakalma kung ganito ang nangyari? Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin siya nasisilayan. This is not Adelaide. She's not like this. Kahit pa may sakit siya, kahit kailanman, hindi siya lumiliban sa klase. Anong nangyayari, Adelaide? Shit, I can't really stop thinking about her. If something happens to her, kung okay ba siya, kung nasaan ba siya, kung kumain na ba siya, kung anong iniisip niya, kung bakit hindi talaga siya pumasok today. Damn it, Adelaide. Why are you making me feel like this? What are you doing to me? This is the first time na nag-alala ako ng sobra-sobra. You're driving me insane. So that's when I suddenly remember our secret place. Maybe she's there. I know it's her. I wonder why the future valedictorian suddenly didn't attend her class for the first time.
Ako'y hinahati ng mga bituin.
Ipapasupat yung nila.
Sagot na yun.
Ipapasupat yung lahat na ginagawa ko.
Mga ginagawa mo.
Bakit hindi sinasabi sa akin?
Oh my Adelaide. I'm so proud of you.
Bakit hindi ko maramdaman na mahal na mahal ko lang?
Pero I know. I love you, my Adelaide. I love you who you really are. I love you and thank you for being the strongest person I ever met. I love you and thank you for existing in my life.
Why can't they just love me for who I am? Hindi nila ako ba? Hindi mo ba sinaspout sa akin?
Parating ng lapit hapon, at kay sarap umuwi sa'yo. Kaya tuwing gabi, ako'y nananalangin
Congratulations to our valedictorian, Miss Adelaide.
It's him. Again. I smiled and turned around to face him. Damn that smile. It's creating a whole zoo in my tummy. Time flies by. Magagraduate na kami. We're even more close to each other than before, which of course didn't everyone expected, even us. We didn't know that one day we're going to be like this, but I'm thankful that we are like this. I'm blessed that I have him in my life.
So, Adelaide, ano nangyari sa kanya ito?
Pagod na pagod kasi po siya. Pagod na kasi po siya.
Adelaide, I'm so sorry, anak. I'm sorry for not being by your side.
She's the best student in our school, sir. Napakagaling niya sa kahit anong bagay. His determination to get higher grades, to be a valedictorian, and to be a good example to others. We deeply admired her for that, na kahit napagod siya, hindi pa rin siya sumusuko because she wants both of you po to be very proud of her.
Tuloy na pala yung pag-aral mo sa Manila.
Oo eh. Nayos na ni Papa yung mga pagpipin. Tahimik mo naman. Hihi, miss niya ako.
Tumigil ka nga, nakakainis ka talaga.
So cute. Pero okay lang yun. Kahit naman talaga si Mama yung gagawin.
Ang pangit-pangit mo kaya unequal tayo eh.
Kasi for pretty.
Hoy, ang ganda-ganda ko kaya. Ang dami na niligo sa akin, no?
Alam ko kasi hindi. Mga imaginary friends.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Wait, sorry na. Sorry
Bitaw.
na, joke lang. Sorry na nga, alis na ako.
Kasi, alam mo, gusto kita eh.
Sige,
Mama ko!
dito ka lang.
Bitaw.
Ayaw.
Bitaw sabi.
Ayaw nga eh.
Ba't ba ang kulit mo?
Talaga?
Bibitaw ka.
Hindi. Hindi kita bibitawan.
Bakit?
May gusto ko malaman.
Gusto mo malaman? Anong gusto mo malaman?
Sinabi mo kanina.
Wala akong
Ulit na.
sinabi. Wala akong sinabi kanina.
Dito na nga.
Wala nga!
Dito na kasi.
Wala! Oo na, sige. Sabihin ko na. I
Sa pagkabahala
right
Nadala na
Isaya
daig
Del Fierro.
Sa dami ng nangyayari San ba ako lalapit Kundi sa'yo lang ako
Okay, so, makatapos sila ako. Magalang ba ganun eh.
JC! Uni!
Hi guys.
Hindi kita
Isang taon, 365 araw, 24 na oras, 60 minuto. Sa bawat segundong nakikita ang iyong kagandahan, sa bawat minutong lagi kang kausap, sa bawat araw na gusto ka lagi makita, at taon ang bibilangin na tayo magsasama. Araw-araw kong ipaparamdam sa iyo yung tunay at tapat na pagmamahal. Lagi kitang sasamahan sa hirap o sa ginhawa. Malapit man o malayo ang distansya sa isa't isa, wala nang hahanapin pang iba. Dahil gusto ko na sa habang buhay, araw-araw kitang mamahalin at pipiliin.